People are making money on YouTube without showing their face. And the crazy part is, you can start today with just AI. In this video, I'll show you exactly how beginners are creating faceless YouTube channels step by step. First, you need a niche. And this is where most people get it wrong. Don't choose randomly. Choose something people already watch. For example, AI tools, motivational videos, facts, or how to make money online. If you're confused, start simple. Pick one topic and stay consistent. Now, quickly, create your YouTube channel. Go to YouTube, click Create Channel, choose a clean name, and add a simple logo. Don't overthink this part. You can always improve it later. Next, let's create your script. Use ChatGPT and type something like, "Write a short YouTube script on how to make money with AI." It will generate a full script for you. Now edit it. Make it shorter, clearer, and more natural. Once your script is ready, turn it into a voice. Use 11 Labs. Paste your script, choose a realistic voice, and download it. Now bring your video to life. Open CapCut and add video clips, images, and subtitles that match your voice. Keep your clips short. Fast videos keep people watching. Now here's where most beginners fail: the upload. Your title and thumbnail matter more than your video. Instead of a boring title like AI Tools for Beginners, say, How I Made Money Using AI as a Beginner. Simple, clear, clickable. Finally, how do you make money? You can earn from ads, promote affiliate products, or sell your own digital products later. You don't need a camera. You don't need expensive gear. You just need to start and stay consistent. If you want the exact prompts and tools I used, comment AI below